Hi guys, Harry10 here. So today I'm going to be playing Track Racing Online Pursuit. So I'm going to be doing some street races today and hopefully crashing into some people, as it's always fun, except from when cops crash into me and then I explode. But we're going to be doing some street races today. It's very doubtful I'm going to catch up with this guy. He's gone through 35 checkpoints and I've got 3. I am definitely going to, I think I was about to say that I'm definitely going to die. I'm recording for YouTube. I just decided to randomly call my Track Racing Online game. Well, I decided to call my username Jason. I just did. Alright, so let's get this done. I'm not going to crash into this username called Mrs. because we're always a team on this game, and like whenever I come on, she's pretty friendly to me, so we don't smash into each other. There's a guy over there behind. Let's see if we can go get him. Wait, no, he's in there. She's surprised at that. But anyway, is anyone around? No, there's only the iPhone guy. And I can't get to him. I can't get to him, it's not fair. iPhone, you're cheating. I will tell you later. Alright, this might take a little while. What is he doing? He's just like rolling around everywhere. He's cheating. No, that's not fair, is it? Oh wait, here comes some more people into the game. Let's go get him. Go get him, Tiger. Ugh. Ah, hiya. Right. Need to get him. Oh wait, yes, iPhone's out. Right, I think he's coming this way. Right, should we get him? Come on, get him, get him. How did he get in there? He must have hacks. He must have hacks. Wow. That is just annoying. But we've only got 22 seconds to go. Let's do the ramp. Let's do this like a boss. It kind of worked. Not exactly, but it kind of did. I'm just going to do some donuts. Donuts! I like doing donuts when I'm bored. Oh, we didn't have enough time to do donuts. But with this game, you can get lots of different camera angles. You can look behind you with Q. I learned that the other day. It's quite cool. And my racing skills have definitely improved. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Right. Let's actually try and win a race. But crash into people at the same time because it's really funny. Right. Somebody's gonna die. Oh, come on. Keep it straight. Somebody's going to die. Oh yeah, I'm leading. Get in there. Hello. Oh no. Oh. Got you. I'm in front of you now. Right. Gonna crash into this guy. Why did I do that? Oh, ouch. Jeez, that must have really hurt in real life. Like, I'm glad that was not real. Ugh. Oh yes. Get in there. We got a kill. No. Right, I just saw a guy over there. Yes, get iPhone. Yeah, you think just because I kill you that you can come back into the game. No, that's called cheating, my friend. Die! Ugh! No, please, die. Die! Die, 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 die. I'm gonna get you. I am not leaving you. I'm coming to get you. I want you. I want to smash you. Please, come here. Oh, he's probably gonna get over there, so I can't catch him. Wait, no, yes, yes! Ugh. Yes! GG! We didn't win the race. Right, let's do this. Oh, everyone's attacking me now. Oh no, what are you doing? iPhone's angry with me and just know it. Oh gosh. iPhone is chasing me. What? That did not go well. Right. Hopefully this will go well. Oh, maybe not. You're having a little bit of a problem there. It's called broken down. Literally. Your car's broken down. Oh, and so is yours. Right. Jump. This game is lots and lots of fun to play. Oh no. Oh no. Nearly hit. Misses then. Oh great, now I'm stuck. Oh wow. Come on, will someone unstuck me? Thank you. I want that guy for what they did to my car. Get out my way. Oh no. They got away. Never mind. Wait, what was the name? The name was... I think it was Andrea, so... next race I want to get them. Why am I being chased on purpose? I don't know if I am being chased. Oh, it appears not. I'm going to stay behind this cop so he doesn't know I'm here. In fact, now if I stay behind him, he will probably recognise I'm here eventually. Right, let's play chicken. Let's play chicken. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I was playing chicken with someone else and I skidded out. Oh no. Epic fail. Woo. Everyone's flying around here. That's funny. Right, I think Andrea, whatever you call them. I think that's the person who we need to get. Sorry about that, Anna. Right, Andre! Ugh! Yeah! Get in there! Yes! This is more sort of a video where I'm just crashing into people rather than actually doing what I said I would do. It really is. Right, skidding skills. Well, drifting skills, I meant to say. But I have to go now. And that is the end of this video, so thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.